What's going on, guys? Good afternoon. I have something special arrive in my office this afternoon. It's the watch I purchased online on Black Friday. Yay! Live watch. Live watches. It's super cool. Let's unbox it. So for those who don't know, there's this cool watchmaker, Liv, L-I-V. You can check them out, Liv Watches. And to me, they make the best watches. The best bang for your buck. So this came in, it was delivered by the FedEx guy. There was some domestic fees I had to pay. Other than the fees I paid when I ordered it online, it was just over 500 pesos, so that's understandable. And I want to tell you that they arrive on time. FedEx is amazing, and Black Friday sale is amazing because I got this baby, this bad boy, for 58% off ish something. So I'm super stoked right now. It comes with these. Let's check it out. So, ooh, it's a certificate saying this is a limited edition. It's number 28 of 500. And what a beautiful timepiece this is. Personal message of thanks from Mr. Chaz with his note. That's a nice touch. And a notice about how to ensure that your watch stays water resistant. The other one is same. All right, let's do it. Let's open it. Ooh, this is heavy. This thing is heavy. Okay, it opens like that. And it comes with this flap, and let's see. Oh, it's the same packaging. Same one I had with the first one I had. This is my second Liv watch. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh wow, this thing is a beauty. Oh. How do I get it? Oh wow. Comes with its smooth cloth for you to wipe it with. What do you call this thing? Anyway, it's here. Ooh, I gotta take off my watch. Hang on a minute. And there you go. Look at that, baby. That's a beauty. This is called automatic Rebel watch. Dang, this thing is thick. Look at the size of that thing. Ooh, it's heavy. I have one like this, but that one is a quartz. So this is my first automatic Liv watch. Ooh. Oh wow, that feels good. So I'm gonna need to adjust the strap, obviously, but yep, that's it. Well, as advertised, yes, this thing is beautiful. It's got this cool Liv detail, and this is the part of the design I love. See that orange thingy and the crown? When you see this is what the Liv logo looks like. Ta-da! Okay, and what is this? It says, "Dare to live, people. Dare to live." Yay! Hallelujah! Wow. Well, first of all, I'm really happy because of the prompt arrival of my order. And then, of course, I'm really happy because it's just as advertised. Check them out. They're on Instagram and Facebook, and I got this on 58% off. Yeah, kidding me? Quality timepiece. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to share to you my joy. And yeah, comes with this standard box. I was hoping they would send me the winding box. Sometimes they do that. But this is still awesome. So there you go. Unboxing of Live watch, automatic watch. And yeah, it works, people. It works. So hope you have a good day ahead, and cheers. Peace.